In today's video, I bring you a trading strategy that can be used on any time frame and on any type of financial asset. This strategy uses a single indicator that is repeated 3 times. That indicator is the auto trend channel. In my case, I'm going to try the strategy in the euro-dollar in the 30-minute graph. The first thing we will have to do is select the auto trend channel indicator. We will select 3 of these from here. What this indicator will do to us is that it will show us a channel of the last candles. The first of the channels, we will set it to 50, and we will leave only the second option checked. The second channel, we will set it to 100, and we will leave only the second option checked. Finally, the third channel, we will set it to 400, and we will also leave only the second option checked. The strategy is the same both to carry out a buy operation and to carry out a sell operation. We will simply have to wait for the 3 lines of the 3 channels to cross. At the time they cross, we will carry out the operation of buying or selling as we deem appropriate. We will put our stop loss a little below where we made the trade and our take profit before the price reaches the other line of the 50-period channel. This strategy could also be carried out with a single channel, but by waiting for the 3 lines of the 3 channels that have different amounts of candles, we will have a greater chance of getting the trade right. And ready, I hope this strategy has been useful to you. Do not forget that before trying it with real money, you need to try it in a demo account so that you can put it into practice by yourself. Do not forget to subscribe so as not to miss any strategy, as we upload the best strategies every week.